Howdy everybody, Harmony Guy Productions, I'm back again. I said that I have to wait for you guys to comment on the video, but I haven't even posted it yet. Still working on this project. I wanted to show you all what I've done so far with this thing and what I'm doing with it. So, here you can see, look at it right there, that's bent inwards, kind of like your thumb. The shovel is shaped like this, and I bent that end. I'm ready to bend the other corner in. But right now, work on a shovel part to go like that. Hopefully more like that, so it can turn into more of a pan. That's what I'm working on right now. After I get that piece bent inwards, kind of like that, so the camera focuses, I'm going to bend that corner there inwards, like that too. Make more of a pan shape to hold more metal. Anyways, I'm going to keep a direct eye on it. It's only been heating up for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes maybe. I'm gonna show you all what I'm going to be melting. Just because, I'm bored. There used to be a lot more. There's not so many now. All of those are all Mean Bean Monster cans. Not sponsored. Don't get me there. Don't, YouTube, I know what you're doing. It's not, I don't want to get copyright striked again. Not weird. But I'm melting down all of those. There's more over there, but yeah, that's a bucket of dishes. That's what I'm doing right now. And I haven't posted a video on it, but I've posted it on Discord and Facebook. I made American flagpole and flag, all functioning, all from scratch, from some old rope that we had as a clothing line, a couple of screws, and a couple of actual dog leash hooks. Those right, that's a dog. Yeah, it typically goes on a dog leash, and there's two of them holding it up, and there's a hook up there with my big American flag. I made it mostly because I want to, but also the American flag. But I'll come back. Also, it's dirty work, especially where I'm working at. Don't have an actual forge. It literally just started a few minutes ago. Well, about an hour ago, actually. Broad plates down there. I got a drink because it's hot and I don't want to have to go inside and grab water and, make some juice out of it because, that'd take a while, and that's unsupervising a really hot piece of steel. Well, tampered steel. It's tool steel. But it's getting hot. It's starting to glow cherry red. That right there is what you want to see when you go to hammer something. So, I'm gonna bash it a little bit. I'm gonna take a drink of Mountain Dew. Also, not sponsored. Don't copyright strike me. I know you want to. I'm not letting you because I'm saying not sponsored. So therefore, I'm not claiming to have sponsorship. Therefore, you can't copyright strike me for something that I'm clearly avoiding having happened. There you go, you can apply. Well, the mashy plate. There you go. There's the mashy plate. Alright. That rest is perfect. Worse than us knowing about. It's like a place. And all the same AIs is actually real life. So yeah. Not much. Alright. I can feel the heat on it. I shouldn't have taken that long to get there. Kind of running off the piece here. Just checking to see if it's hot enough to hammer out the edges a little bit. Oh, that one hurt a little bit. Come on. Hit the dang thing. She's rolling. Aha. Yes. Still red hot right there. Trying to roll that right there. I don't know if that's cool enough to rest an E on. Ow. Just crushed my toes. That hurts. Toe does kind of hurt a little bit. And it's covered in dirt, so I can't tell how bad it is. So, oh well. I think it's cooled down too much. Too cold, too cold. Alright, where's the butter? Here it is. Before it cools down too much more, then I have to wait forever to heat it back up. Ow. That's the way you don't do foraging if you don't like it, Dad. I might cut your fingers off. Yeah. So let me show you that injury now. It's not really an injury, it's just a scratch. Not even really a scratch, but just a bump. Right there, see that? That used to be dirt. My finger got in the way a little bit of the shovel and the hammer, and it kind of brushed down a little bit. So if you have your finger anywhere near it, you could also just bash it off on whatever you're hammering. I'll show you. Right there up at the tip, and I get phone too close, so at least I might try it. But I was holding the hammer like this, and my hand kind of grazed down on it, and kind of went up. I guess I don't know how it happened. I do know that I got my finger and I almost cut it off. So, also dangerous there. So, I'm going to stop you happen. I'm going to cut the video here, so I don't have to edit it too much. I don't really know how to edit either, so, anyways. I'll see you guys in the next video. Maybe I might make part 3. Might try to collaborate. I don't know. So